G'day guys, and welcome back to Retrospectreviews. Now, if you were here for last week's video, you would know that I picked up this time fun monkey game. Now, I did say this week I would have a look at putting some batteries in it and see if it actually works. So, let's have a look. Now, for those of you who weren't here, didn't see last week's video, if you want to, this was released about 1981 by VTech. VTech are the company that makes a lot of those kids toy computers and learning educational computers. So I guess they were competing with Nintendo's Game & Watch. Now this one, I'm not sure if, I don't recall having this one, but it seems so very familiar. So it could be just one that I did see at the markets or in the shops. This one is a pretty basic one. From what I've read online, basically I think you control a guy in the coconut trees here, and your goal is to keep the monkeys from stealing the coconuts, basically. Okay, so on closer inspection, it's a little bit grubby. You can see where somebody's been sticking a pen or something here to set the actual time. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Like I said, just a little bit grubby. Screws look pretty clean for their age. The only thing I have noticed, this button here is quite easy to press. This one's a little bit more resistant, so I don't know if there's an issue underneath there, so there might be something we may look at in this video. But first, let's put some batteries in it and see what happens. So a little battery compartment there, and it takes two of these. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll try to get a close-up look at that. Focus. So it takes two of these watch batteries. I do remember as a kid they generally don't last too long. Now with these, unlike pencil batteries or AA batteries and that, the plus goes up for both. So there's no one plus up, one plus down, or plus or negative. And you just put the cover back over like that. It'll go over, come on. Okay, this is a bit tough. Okay, there we go, got it in. Okay, now the reveal. Is it working? I haven't heard any noises. Oh, okay, so it's all lit up. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's stand it up, and I'll try to get the camera to focus a little bit more. Just give us this. Okay, so we put the batteries in. So the characters have all lit up, so that's a good sign. So we got a couple of options here. We got I believe that's to set the time. You usually use a pin or a pencil or a pen. We got the time, set the time so we can see what time it is. So I haven't set that yet. And then you got two options of game A and game B. Now each one is a little bit, I think A is the easy one, B is the hard one obviously. So let's give this a go. So we'll press game A and see what happens. Okay, can I see what I'm doing? So I've got to hit that, keep the monkey from getting the coconuts from what I can understand. It's hard to see at this angle. Oh no, I've lost one. There we go, got him, so we've got to go over this side. So obviously the, oh no, I've lost another one. Oh! So I've got to make sure the guy moves to the middle. It's a bit hard on the right hand one, the button is a little, not as easy to press. So I think I'm doing alright, it's getting a little bit faster. And that's it. I think I ran out of time there, so I got 14, score of 14. Screen's a little bit hard to see, but it's not unusual for these type of handheld LEDs. So it's not too bad. Like I said, it's only this button here. It's a bit hard to push. So let's try B. So I've got to make sure now I know what I'm doing a bit. So I've got to be in the middle when the monkey climbs the palm tree. So, okay, that's not too bad. So the middle one, you got to stay in the middle. Oh no, there's more than one of them. I didn't. Oh no. Oh, it's a bit tricky when more than one jumps up. It's a bit hard when that right button's a bit sticky. What am I looking at here? Oh no. So I got 13 points on the on that one. So yeah, so quite happy with that. It works. So pretty cool. Okay, let's turn it off and have a look inside. So I'll just get this reset up. Okay, so I've just flipped it over here. Just getting my screwdriver here. Pretty small screws. So hopefully, try to not have my hand in the way. So we'll undo these. You do have to be careful of the screens of these LCDs, because they do, if you push hard on them, they will, I suppose you'd say black out, maybe. Just realised, trying to keep my hand out of the way, you can actually see what's going on. Do one more screw, but I haven't taken the batteries out, so maybe I should do that too. So, okay, that's popped up. So as you can see, well, it's a bit dirty inside. I'll just take those out there. There's the batteries goes. This is the little speaker. It's a bit dirty, not too bad. There is 2 screws holding the rest down, so I'll take that out. Oh, just try not to break. These are soldered in. That speaker is soldered in, so just be careful not to break the wire. I've done that a few times on different things. So just that there. I just want to have a look at the button. See if we can fix it. So lift it up. That, can you see? This is the button that was. So I don't know if somebody's been in this before, but see how that's kind of folded over. I'll have to see if I can pick up some others of these buttons. I'm not sure if you can buy them, so okay, let's just take that out, because I might give that a good clean. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if you can see that it was folded over, and that's why the it was a bit hard to push down on. So if we put that there, let's see if we can get that not to fold out. Take that one out too. Take this one out. Okay, so there's the metal bit. As you can see, there's the screen. Too bad. Might be able to give this a bit of a clean. I think that's where it's gone a bit funny. So yeah, that's in pretty good condition. So we'll just put that somewhere so it doesn't get destroyed. Oh, this is going to be fun putting back together. Okay, so let's clean this all up. So we'll give this a bit of a clean. Grime off. It might actually make the screen a little bit easier to see. Might give this a clean too. This is, I don't know if you can see, usually the bit that holds the images. Okay, so let's let's reassemble this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure I put everything back the way it goes. Okay, so it's all lit up again. Okay, it's working. Oh, and the button worked a lot better. Don't know if the screen's improved much, but I am looking at it on an angle. It does seem to be playing a lot better. So, let's okay, so we got that going again. Okay, so let's rearrange the camera here so you can get a better look. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. In the comments down below, let me know if you had one of these fun handheld games. And don't forget to like and share. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.